going to be talking about my great boat cover here. This cover is for like a 16 to 18 and a half foot boat. This cover is going to fit a boat between 16 and 18 and a half feet. The beam width can go up to about 94 inches. First of all, you can notice it's a very nice gray in color. It's a 900D marine grade, heavy duty, waterproof material, and it's very windproof. And it's also, with the sun we have, it's very fade proof too. It does not fade at all. You also, if you notice too, you got some heavy duty buckles here. You got double stitched thread. There's also air vents inside the boat too to keep it dry so you don't get kind of a buildup of moisture. This is a universal cover, so it fits a variety of boats. It'll fit V-hulls, tri-hulls, bass boats, and runabouts. So I'm going to show you how to put it on my boat here. I'm going to be using 2 towers for mine to keep the snow from building up. As far as my boat cover is concerned, what all comes with it is, you get the boat cover itself. It comes with some nice, real heavy duty buckles on top of it. It comes with 8 different adjusting straps, both parts. It comes with a complete set of instructions as far as how to care for it, how to take care of it, how to install it. And it comes with a nice carrying case to throw it all in there when you're actually using your boat. As you can see, we got the tarp on the boat now. My boat's roughly 17 feet long. And you can see that this elastic band is tucked underneath the lip of the boat and it's keeping it on snug. As you can see, the boat cover comes equipped with 2 vents that allow air passage through there, so inside the boat it gets a little air circulation so stuff doesn't fog up and whatnot, moisture doesn't collect. Okay, as you can see on this boat cover here, it comes with the 2 vents. The vents are about 2/3 of the way back, 1 on each side of the boat cover. You see I got the boat cover on. I feel that these heavy duty clamps are going to really hold down tight. This boat cover is going to withstand wind and rain. Definitely waterproof.